Do you want to give more light into why you feel so strongly about we should stop anthropomorphizing agents, and what you think about how Anthropic has been doing a lot of that recently with their research work? Like they even have their researchers kind of talking about how Claude feels human, you know?
Yeah. I mean, there's probably not like a unified philosophy throughout the company, but several of the researchers do anthropomorphize agents. And they even have like a whole consciousness research team, that the one that produced the papers about emotions showing up in agents, that is, they're not actively calling the agents conscious. They're not actively defining what conscious is, but they're saying that like there is emotionality found in like the neural networks. And that's kind of like interesting, right? So, I mean, my overall premise is just that technology changes who we are, right? And it changes the way that we interact with one another. And I think like you can just see the world kind of the social fabric of the rituals and traditions that for all of the human millennia have held us together are fading, right? And technology has the capability to make us more isolated from one another. And like if you anthropomorphize your agents or your AI, you're just accelerating that. You're disconnecting from real humans and saying like, let me apply the empathy cycles in my brain towards like these AI tools, right? If you have everybody in the world doing that, it's going to be a psychotic break. I mean, like everybody's just going to be, you're basically moving towards the world of the Matrix, where you're living in your own reality, surrounded by an AI environment, and you don't even need interaction with other humans. And then you're going to act like you don't need interaction with other humans, and you're going to make decisions and vote in ways that you don't need other humans. That just does it. It breaks everything in terms of like how the humanities relates to technology. It'll create a world really quickly that like we're like, what happened? And by the way, like those of us who are anthropomorphizing and are engaging in this reality will be divorced from like the rest of people who aren't developing technology. And it'll create this like sort of like divide in belief systems, and and that's the kind of thing I think can create civil war, right? Where it's just like people literally living in different realities. One group of those people has completely atrophied their skills to relate to other human beings. Like it doesn't end well.